Welcome to the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
This song already was turned, but here's a bell.
Hey, I'm finna dissect this video. Somebody sent me a cheating video, so I'm gonna check it out real quick, and we're gonna dissect it. So yeah, let's hop to this joint.
Come on, y'all. Got some action again, y'all. Wait a minute. I knew it was something. I heard something, man. Y'all hear this? My kids said they heard something. What the hell going on? What the hell is going on, man? Hold on, bro. Y'all alright? Hey, what the hell going on? What going on? Y'all alright? Who was that, man? Everything straight?
I put the motor in them.
What going on, man?
What
the hell going on?
Yeah.
Oh, somebody in the car. Oh, shit. Hey, man, what the hell?
He's gonna be riding on little ride with the motor.
Y'all straight? Yeah. Oh, shit. What the fuck? Bro. What the hell? Oh!
He put the motor in that mug. He put the motor in that mug. You heard me? Hit the subscribe button. It would really mean a lot. Nah, but for real though, shouts out to this man for taking his motor back. We need more people like this. If your girl cheat on you, don't hit her with your hands. Don't knock her upside the head. Go pull the motor out there. Go pull the motor out her car. Go get everything you got her and take it back. That's what we got. Hey, shouts out to him, man. Real talk. We need more people like him out here. Cause I bet she ain't going nowhere. That car gonna be there forever. Like for real though, he really snatched the motor. He literally, this man literally snatched the motor out this car. He got an A+. Yes, he was emotional, but if you find out your girl was at the motel hotel, they're like a motel to me, at the motel hotel cheating on you, you'll be kind of emotional too, kind of livid too. Glad he ain't shoot nobody. He just snatched the motor out there, joint. Shouts out to him, man. Like, it's a sad case, bro. Like, these women be out here fire, man. Like, they really be moving like that. And us men be doing all this stuff for them. But they don't appreciate it, man. Like, real talk, man. Hey, y'all gotta, like, subscribe and comment for this. Cause that was some shit right there. That man literally snatched the motor out this joint, man. That's a dub for the community, man. That's a dub. Cause that shit was funny as hell. I don't know how he gonna pick it up, and I don't know if he drove on the highway with that bitch. I don't know if he was driving around town with a motor. But shouts out to him, man. Hey, man, tag that man. Hey, I gotta do a collab with that man. Find that man, tag him, man. Tag him. I gotta do a collab with him, man.